In this video, I'll be showing an update on the Lekki Regional Road in Lagos, Nigeria. As the Lekki Epe Expressway gets more busy due to a lot of development happening around this axis, the Lagos State government is also working on improving the infrastructure around the axis. Few weeks ago, the Lekki Deep Sea Port was completed. Hopefully, by this month, the Dangote refinery should start operations. As more industries and real estate open up around this axis, the area becomes more busy and congested, as the Lekki Epe Expressway is the only highway to access this axis. One of the ways in which the Lagos State government is addressing the congestion around this axis is opening up more alternative routes. As at the moment, the only alternative route under construction in this axis is the Lekki Regional Road, though there are plans for other alternative routes as well, such as the Lekki Coastal Road. But presently, apart from the reconstruction of the Lekki Epe Expressway, the only hope in sight is the ongoing construction of the Lekki Regional Road. This video shows the level of construction attained on the regional road as at December 2022. The Lekki Regional Road starts from VGC, which is where the bridge you are seeing is located, and it terminates at Freedom Way. Which in other words means another highway is being created around this axis. Presently, the structural works are ongoing, as there will be pedestrian bridges at VGC and Chevron Drive. Here is the pedestrian bridges at VGC and Chevron Drive. The regional road is about 8.75 kilometers road, comprising of 500 meters bridge, 251 meters interchange, 50 meters bicycle lane, and an adjoining 500 meters road. A lot of work have been done, as the pedestrian bridges are almost completed, and also a lot of sand filling dredging on the road alignment has been achieved. The Lekki Regional Road has been integrated with the Lekki Infrastructure Master Plan. Thereby, the regional road will serve as a precursor to proposed Fourth Mainland Bridge, which means the regional road will be linking the proposed Fourth Mainland Bridge in the future, which will further open up the Lekki environment and serve as alternative routes to link several communities and industry within the Lekki axis.
Get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I do it all before I die. I wanna get it on tonight. I wanna get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I wanna get you one more time, one more time, one more time, one more time. I want it one more time. I really need to make it right. Energy I overdose, 'cause I'm ready to reload. I need it one more time, but baby then again twice. But I don't know if I'm ready to let go. I'm gonna have you one more time. I'm gonna hit it one more night with you, with you. I am committed 'cause I know it's you I want. Hope I'll never see you go home. I'll come along.
I'm gonna have you one more time. I'm gonna have you one more night.
I wanna get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I do it all before I die. I wanna get it on tonight. I wanna